LsapSolver is a powerful tool designed to solve the linear sum assignment problem, LSAP. This problem involves optimally assigning workers to tasks while minimizing the total cost. How it works. Input matrix. You start with a square matrix in Excel format. Each row represents the cost of assigning a worker to a task. Each column represents the assignment of a task to a worker. Load your matrix into LsapSolver, example a 200x200 matrix. Click the Start button. LsapSolver begins by finding a good initial solution using heuristics. LsapSolver then uses a mixed integer programming, MIP, solver to find the optimal assignment. The goal is to minimize the total assignment cost. Save the optimized assignment results in Excel format. The output contains 3 columns. Worker ID, from 0 to 199. Job ID, also from 0 to 199. Cost of assignment. Optional maximize mode. If your matrix represents profits instead of costs, enable the maximize mode. LsapSolver will adjust the assignment to maximize profits. Download LsapSolver from the Windows Store and give it a try.